guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video. Y'all, I'm actually doing this video at night for the first time in a long time. This haul this is a Temu haul. I actually got these items today while I was at work, and one of the items I do plan on wearing tomorrow. Just got out of the shower, so it's gonna be a quick haul. My last video, if you haven't already, go ahead and watch the last video that I posted. This is a Temu haul. I have, I think, 2 more after this is coming. And then I have some orders that I need to place for another one. Yes, we have the orange gremlin again. Temu has definitely got me again. So let me go ahead and just get right into it because I need to get ready for bed. So I hope everybody's day was pretty good. Mine was wonderful. And this is going to be really quick. It's not that many items, but as I stated, I do have to, or I am planning on wearing one of the items, or probably 2 of the items tomorrow. So let me go ahead and get right into it. And as you can see how big this bag is, not really that big. I have some shoes in here, so I'm a little surprised that they stuffed it in this bag. Go ahead and pull that out first. So I did purchase these shoes. Let me show you guys how it looks. Actually look a whole lot better than I thought it would. I hate the fact that they have it because it is like these little suede shoes, and they had them folded up in the bag. So hopefully once I put it on, that print will come out, and I hope that is very comfortable. As you guys can see, it is gray, and this was the last one in this size. I thought this was very comfortable looking, so it almost want to put me in the mind of those clogs that they have out, but without the backing on it. So this should be some cute little shoes for the winter. The next item, remember I was telling you guys about the watch. I do have the third MARC Jacobs, so marked by MARC Jacobs watch. This one is in black. I'll go ahead and put this in my jewelry cabinet, so I'll go ahead and keep that out. Okay, the next item I have is the shirt. And this is the item that I was talking about wearing tomorrow. So y'all know I do keep my bags. The shirt is actually pretty big. It says somebody's problem. That's kind of cute. I really like the wording on that. This is actually a pretty good material, y'all. It looks like it stretches a little bit. I probably should have gotten it in a smaller size so that it will give like that fitted look, but this is fine. It does stretch a lot, and this is a 2X. I got this in a 2X, and again it says somebody's problem, and it is in gray. Kind of matches the shoes a little bit. The next item, I'm trying to remember what this was. Let's see. It is in a box. Oh, they did pretty good wrapping in this. I think I have an idea what this is. So let's just see. Hard to get out. And while I'm doing this, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Thumbs up if you like the video. Share it with your friends and all that good stuff. So I'm opening it, and I believe this is and it is. So y'all, they have these this keychain, and it actually comes, I think it pulls out if I'm not mistaken. Thought it did anyway. Doesn't pull out. Okay, so you're supposed to attach this to this. You have to take the top off. It's a sublimation, so you can actually sublimate pictures on here, which I think would be super cute. And then it rolls up into this film. So if you're ever out and you want to show people like some pictures of your family or whatever, you can just pull it out of the roll and show pictures. So I'm going to work on that. I actually got 2 of those, so I'm probably going to work on that this week, and I'll show you guys the finishing product of that. this weekend. Okay. Right there. Okay, so the next item, I have these sunglasses. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm going to be getting a call in a minute from my family. These are actually not sunglasses. These are regular blue lights. And I like my blue light glasses in different forms, different shapes, different colors. These are actually pretty cute. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Now, I do have some other ones that are like this, but it's in a different pattern. So I'll probably wear this one tomorrow. It's super cute. I like it. And last but not least, y'all, I ordered a wig. So this is actually my first wig. No, I've ordered a wig from Temu before. Actually, I've worn a wig from Temu before. Have I? I can't remember. I think I have, though. This is just a straight headband wig. And you know what? I'm noticing already. Well, I guess it is. It's supposed to be more like that synthetic material. So you guys can see it has the headband in the front. It's just a straight wig. So I'll probably try this on tonight. I'm definitely going to wear it tomorrow with a headband. Probably do one of my cheetah print headbands with these blue lights. So that'd be super cute. I might take a picture and post it on the end of this video. But yeah, that's pretty much of this haul. This one was actually not that bad. If I had to rate this one, I would probably rate it an 8. Everything came in packaged nicely. The shoes, the only thing I'm kind of upset about that, so that's why I'm giving it an 8. The film, I have to check that out to see how it is. Y'all know I love these watches. I have 2 more, the pink one and the yellow one. And I believe there's only 2 colors left, purple and red. I didn't really like those. I wasn't sold on those colors. The blue lights, definitely like these. I'll probably wear these tomorrow. And the hair came like I thought it would come. And the shirt, somebody's problem. I'm somebody's problem, so look. Y'all, I had my eyeliner on at work today, and I have scrubbed. I swear, this black, it takes forever to come off. I probably have to put some more makeup remover on. But yeah, so that's it of this video. If you like the video, like I said, go ahead and thumbs up the video, share it with your friends. If you like my channel, my content, go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Turn your notification bells on so you're aware when I do post new videos. Share with your friends and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys had an awesome day. Remember to always be awesome and do awesome things. And I will see you guys next time. Talk to you then. Bye.